In today's lesson, we are going to look at how to add units to an ISP when you have run out of units before the end of the plan year. You're going to head to www.hcsis.state.pa.us. You're going to click on HISCUS Login. Once you've logged in to the system, you're going to click on Plan, Manage Plan, and type the name of the consumer which you are doing the CR for. Once your screen logs, you're going to click on Perform Revision. You're going to put in the revision type, which is a critical revision, because when you're making changes to units, it's always going to be a critical revision. The revision date is the date that you are performing it. And then you click Save and Continue. Next, you want to go to Service Details. Okay, once the detail screen loads, we're going to look at supports coordination, as this participant needs additional supports coordination hours to complete their plan year. To do so, you're going to go to the service line, you're going to highlight it, you're going to scroll down to the bottom and click Edit. Once you have the correct service selected, you can double check by scrolling down, Supports Coordination. This participant typically gets 4 units per week. You then scroll to the top where you have the service selected and click on, under Fiscal Year View, you're going to click on View. Once the screen loads, you'll see that this consumer doesn't have enough units to finish this plan year. There are about 2 months left in the plan year. So instead of adding a new service line, you're going to add units to this authorized line. So we're going to ask for an additional 75 units, as this consumer typically has a lot of contact with their SC. So you're going to take 106 plus 75 units, and you're going to change this number in here to 181. That should be enough units in order to finish out the plan year and for any other resources that are needed and services to be provided. You then click on Save. Now you're going to see authorization status change from authorized to pending. Then you click Save and Close. So when you look here, you're going to see that it says 208. That number should change. The next thing you want to do is scroll to the bottom and click Save, and it will update that number. Now you can see after clicking save, the units change from 208 to 283. Now you have successfully increased the units to finish off the plan year. Click save and continue. After you click save and continue, it's just to verify that everything updated correctly. Okay? When we look here, we see that we have updated our services. Let's just make sure that the top is matching the bottom. The bottom has 283, but I'm not seeing that at the top, so I need to double check that the units were calculated correctly in this service bar. I'm going to click again at view. The units are correct here, okay, and it still says pending. So we have done our job at this point. We're going to close out. We're going to let our SC supervisor know, and then she will or he will take a look at your plan, let you know that it's ready to put in draft, and then it'll be ready to submit for approval. And that completes this lesson.